They were the ultimate car, probably, in the day for somebody who wanted a status symbol, a statement of quality and what have you. A statement of success as well, I suppose. I can't remember the exact number of Phantom ones made. They didn't make a lot of them, and the reason is because they were hugely expensive. I gather they cost roughly the same as a large country house, so it wasn't for everybody.
In Ledbury, classic car collector Chris Spade is having a clear-out. Soon, he'll be downsizing, and this 1929 Rolls Royce Phantom will need to find a new custodian.
It just makes you feel special. It takes you back in time as well. It makes you think about an era when life was clearly very, very different. And people that were in a position to be able to afford a car like that, how fortunate they were. I've been thinking about how sad I'll be when it goes, but I'll also feel really privileged to having owned it for 4 years, and it's been an amazing experience. And had it not been for the fact that I'm not going to have space for it in the future, it definitely wouldn't be going anywhere.
After a 30-year stint as an exhibit at the prestigious Martigny Motor Museum in Switzerland, Chris bought the Phantom as a non-runner and set about having it fully recommissioned.
I think it's about 18, 19 foot long, so it is quite large. As far as we know, that's the original pillar light. It's got twin spare wheels, side-mounted spare wheels. The bodywork is a Barker. It's a Pullman sports limousine. It's the original body, original engine, obviously. As far as we can tell, the car is almost completely original, apart from the colour.
So what happened with the colour?
It was restored in Switzerland by a chap who was a Bugatti restorer, as we understand it. And we just wondered if he had a bit of Bugatti blue left over, because it certainly looks that sort of colour. To be honest, when I first bought the car, I didn't like it, and my wife loved it, so naturally it stayed that colour. And it's grown on me, and I really like it now. It seems quite popular. This was built in the day when Henry Royce was still alive, and the build quality is just unbelievable. You know, if they're looked after properly, they will last forever. This car's 95 years old. I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't live another 95 years, who knows?
Before there was the Phantom, there was the Ghost, putting Rolls-Royce on the map as the makers of the best car in the world. The Silver Ghost's biggest moment came in the 1913 Alpine Trial. 1,800 miles of mountain passes and steep climbs, where they didn't just finish, they dominated. Its successor, the Phantom, was a gargantuan 7-seater, constructed in Derby, UK and Springfield, Massachusetts. Owned by dukes, diplomats and Hollywood royalty, Marlene Dietrich's one was unearthed in a barn in 2007. Fast forward a century, and the Phantom's still making headlines, with actor Jason Momoa transforming a 1929 Rolls Royce Phantom 2 into a fully electric vehicle. The most ambitious and complex EV conversion ever undertaken.
The engine is just under 8 litres. It's a 6-cylinder engine on this car. You have to move the mascot to clear the bonnet. That is the engine. It's, again, largely original. It is fitted with electronic ignition, which is quite unusual and not original, but it runs very well with it. Never caused me a problem. It was on the car when I got it. Never need to adjust the points or anything like that.
It's almost too beautiful to sell, Chris.
I'm really wrestling with it. It's been a hard decision. It's taken about a year to come to the decision, but I am retiring. We're downsizing house-wise. I just won't have anywhere big enough to store it. Regrettably, it's going to have to go, but it will be sadly missed. Hopefully somebody will see it and love it and bid on it. And
Still got time, Chris, to hold on to it.
Yeah, don't tempt me. In an ideal world, I'd love it to go to somebody who understands them, who wants one, who can afford to look after it properly. And I don't mean somebody with lots of money who can put it into somewhere to be done, but somebody who can afford the time if he hasn't got the money to do it himself and has the knowledge and the ability. I'm hoping it'll find somebody who's enthusiastic about it and just loves the fact that it's so beautifully original.
With several Minis making their way out, that leaves just enough space for one massive motor. And Derek's arrived in Ledbury to collect the 1929 Rolls Royce Phantom from Chris Spade.
Morning, Chris.
Nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet you, mate. Lovely to meet you.
All right.
This is a beast, isn't it?
Yeah, the big old lump, isn't it?
Ah, isn't she just, eh?
Yeah.
And it's about 1929.
Yeah, very, very last of the Phantom ones. A picture of it when it was brand new.
Oh, look
That's
at
the
that.
actual car.
Is it?
Yeah, and it was black all over.
Yeah, I don't know.
like being in your lounge.
Better than being in your lounge. Guys like Chris and I, we should really put a television there. You know, leave the family in the house of a night and just come out and just sit in the car and watch Dad's Army. That's really what we should be watching, shouldn't it? Absolutely wonderful. It's just pure luxury, isn't it? And yeah, incredible. Those people that had the money to enjoy something like this.
Sometimes the full history of a vehicle isn't easy to come by, especially for cars of this vintage. But oh, the stories this one could tell.
The original owner was Captain Bowles. Apparently he was a decorated World War I hero that fell on hard times a little bit, and he got into drink and gambling and all this type of stuff. And he then somehow hooked up with John Factor. I think he was the half-brother of Max Factor.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but he was the exact opposite. He was an absolute crook, apparently.
What's that?
And they got involved with this massive share fraud, which even the royal family was sucked in on, apparently.
Really?
And there was an article in the paperwork.
Is that right?
Yeah.
And that bought him this car?
He only had the car a couple of months, so we think whether he bought it with the proceeds and then got arrested and it got seized or whatever, I've no idea. But
I can imagine that.
Yeah,
that's a lovely bit of history, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Can we have a quick look at the engine?
Yeah, of course, yeah. Again, it's not a mint thing, but it's
enormous, isn't it?
Great lump, isn't it?
It wants to be an aeroplane, doesn't it, really?
It is, really, isn't it? Yeah. Half a Merlin.
Yeah.
Not quite, because they're 28 litres, aren't they? But the one thing that's not original, it's got electronic ignition.
Oh, really?
And it had it when I got it. It works perfectly. You still have to advance and retard it. It's obviously a fixed one. And the magneto doesn't work. I've never bothered to look into why, because that works so well. Even the fuel gauge works.
Does it?
Which is a little pump on the dash. It pressurises and then the gauge comes up.
Remarkable. Yeah, it just needs a certain type of owner, doesn't it?
It does.
You know, like you.
Nuck, yeah. Is there another one out there? Do you think another fruitcake like
well,
me?
Well, there is, yeah. We're all, you know, wired up wrong, aren't we? There's no question about that. It's just a question of finding one that wants the Rolls.
What do you think it'll do?
Oh, I'm going to upset you now.
Go on.
35 to 45.
You're probably not wrong. Yeah, you're probably not wrong.
Do you fancy just driving it around the village?
If you want to, yeah.
A quick run?
Just start incredibly well. Hot and cold, it always starts immediately.
All's lovely. Well, you should do, shouldn't it? Yeah, cover some miles in a day compared to a horse and carriage, couldn't it?
45 now, the speedo's quite accurate.
It's lovely. Beautiful, beautiful car. Absolutely stunning. Drove really lovely.
The car performed perfectly, as always. It's going to keep it in the car for now. The idea was to take them off so that if you leave the car parked in a town or something, nobody steals it, because they're worth a good £1,000.
Hold it there, Chris, hold it there.
Happy with that or not?
Bloody big, isn't it? Just come on a touch, but only a few inches.
Yep.
Steady. That'll do. Yeah, it's like picking up a tractor, isn't it? Right, yeah, I've done all right. Right, on we go. Yeah, thank you ever so.
Lovely, thank you. Sorry to see it go, but we all have to move on, don't we? Hope the next owner enjoys it as much.
I think you're going to need a bigger bottle.
Well, then I'd have to do more, wouldn't I? Because I have to finish with an empty bottle. So, in fact, no, I'll just keep going with this little one.
Some cars are easy to miss in the packed showroom, but this rare survivor is winning hearts all over Pickering.
I think they are fantastic. They really are a work of art and such good value for money now. The quality of fittings and workmanship, I think it's just amazing. I mean, look at that. Look at it. If you'd have said to me up until 5 years ago, do you want one of these? I'd have said, no, you're OK. I find myself now leaning towards them. I could see myself in something like that. The only thing, you have to get the right model, because obviously these were predominantly built for passenger comfort, not driver comfort. So you've just got to make sure you got the right model, because there isn't actually acres of room for the driver. And obviously, I'm a driver, I'm not going to be driven about, am I? Because I get the enjoyment out of driving. The millionaire Rolls Royce owner in 1929 was obviously just all about comfort in there. So, yeah, it's easier to get into a Lotus, really, than it is one of these. But she's lovely. But I like to sit right back and recline a little. Arguably, probably not quite the model for me, but nonetheless, I think it's fantastic. I mean, it's just, yeah, it's just a different world, isn't it? It really is a different world. It's just lovely. It's not particularly challenging sat in the back here, if I'm honest. If I didn't enjoy driving so much, then it is the ultimate carriage, isn't it, really? If I ever win the lottery and I become a billionaire, I think I'll have to buy one and just occasionally just be chauffeured, I think, and just enjoy the experience. Oh, I think I was born for the back of a Rolls Royce, wasn't I? Might have been conceived in one, but I don't know if I was born for one, but anyhow, there you go, that might be my connection with it.
Fantastic car. She's a Phantom, as you can see. Unbelievable condition, absolutely superb. Very interesting provenance on it, in as much as it was bought by a fraudster. Start me on that. Lots of interest with me. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30 with me, 30, 31. Absolutely for nothing. £32,000, can I say 3? 32,500 I've got, do you want 3? Ireland, Galway, 32,500. Provisional, Keith, there we are, 32,500.
At 7,500 under its estimate, the offer is accepted. The Phantom's next chapter begins in Ireland.
Beautiful bit of river. I bet the fishing is wonderful. We've done France, Spain, places like that, but it's an actual treat to come to Southern Ireland. I've been wanting to come for a long, long time. We're delivering this beautiful Rolls Royce Phantom 1 to its new owner, and so we're looking forward to see his reaction. And I know it's a good car, I know it drives nice, but he will need to do a tiny bit of recommissioning. When a vehicle of 95 years old is transported, you generally get a lot of oil splashing around, and of course every old car is built to leak anyway.
In County Galway, Kevin Cunningham also finds himself at the end of another long journey.
I sold a 1919 Buick just pre-COVID. I've been looking for a new car since. I just saw this car and I just fell in love with it, and it has a great history file to it, and we intend to add more history to the car.
Lovely little stores, little petrol pumps outside, red diesel on tap. And I've passed 3 lovely little pubs, which I'd love to be in each and every one of them.
Well, one, it's great to have the weather. It's been delivered on a sunny day in Ireland, which is great, and I'm very excited to meet Derek as well. I'm looking forward to the Spirit of Ecstasy. It hasn't got it on at the minute. It's supposed to be in the car, but they have what they call a town cap, and that's what's on it at the minute. Derek, you're welcome to Mount Value.
Lovely to see you. Hey up, dog. What do you call her?
Riley.
Oh, Riley. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. There she goes then, mate. Isn't she magnificent, eh?
Yeah.
Look at them headlamps.
Yeah, the Marshall headlamps, yeah.
Beautiful, aren't they?
You know.
And what we do, when I let you down, I want you in it, just in case something gives, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
You can get the brake, can't you? Okay?
Yeah.
By crumbs, this every damn thing, isn't it? It's like 2 cars on there, isn't it? Straighten her up. Yeah, you're fine. Yeah, keep it going. Yep. Lovely, that'll do, yep. Isn't it lovely?
We'll get on the Spirit of Ecstasy before you go.
Yeah.
Nuala, will you put it on? One lady to another.
Perfect. Look at that. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Well done, absolutely brilliant. Lovely.
It's a beautiful body.
Isn't it? You wait till you see this. Yeah, look at that. Must be in a Spitfire, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And this here, it's all set up. Oh, she's in it already.
She's in it already.
Stay where you are, stay where you are.
Stay
Stay where you are. Yeah, that should be the only one that you switch on, ignition, like that. But anyway, you'll sort that out. And the wood, look at this.
Beautiful.
And there, that's more comfortable than your settee, I'll tell you now. This is more comfortable than ours.
She's beautiful.
Stunning. Look at that. I wouldn't have made them feel at home.
They've moved in already.
Moved in.
They moved in. No, I'm so looking forward to getting it started and taking her for a nice casual run.
You'll be absolutely delighted.
Riley, hop in the car. Riley just loves the car.
Beautiful car. And such a beautiful colour. I think it's going to turn many a head.
It's a work of art. The timber work, the roof lining, the glass, the French headlamps, which was an extra as well. Plan, we'll do a few of the shows. We always end up doing a few charity runs for different organisations and the odd family wedding as well, you know. It's a foot starter, so there's a lot of things to learn. And when they start, you have to turn certain things off, but we just have to to learn the procedure.
I think I'll be driven rather than be driving it. Quite comfortable in a Rolls Royce.
Thank you, mate.
Thanks, William.
Super to meet you. Really, really good. Really enjoyed it. It's been a lovely trip. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.
See you.
Met the most superb family there, and it's so rewarding to see his whole family love the car and love the fact that he's bought one. I think it's just awesome. It just makes the job worthwhile.